Hello, welcome back to my channel. I bought this mechanical keyboard from Amazon during this Great Indian Sale festival, whatever. It's called the Shadow Amulet gaming keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard with blue switches from the brand Orange. I had already opened it to check whether everything was alright or not. This is how the box looks from the back. It has rainbow colors, means the colors are static, or you can say there are only these colors which are shown here. They are not programmable through any software. They can be controlled through the keyboard only. I'll show you in a moment. Let me unbox it. Oh, sorry. This is how it comes packaged. The cable is 1.5 meters long. It's a pretty heavy keyboard for what it is. I did not expect it to be this heavy. This comes with it. It has all the functions that you can control, and this is how it sounds. I'm actually recording with my headphones microphone, so I had to bring the keyboard close to my mic. Okay, let me connect it to my computer and I'll show it then, the colors of the light. So now I have connected it to my computer. Let me show you the functions. This is how it looks. It's not focusing. Yep. This is how you can change the light by holding the function key and this SL. I don't know what the full form is. These are the patterns. There are 8 patterns of this light. You can change the speed by this method by holding the function key and the up arrow, and the down arrow will slow it down. This is a breathing type. Comes from up to down. This is the static mode. I personally like the lights to be dim or to be off, because looking at these lights for a longer time irritates my eyes. You can increase the brightness by holding the function key and the up arrow. The brightness increased, and you can decrease the brightness by this, holding the function key and the lower arrow, and after 3 clicks the light will turn off, but this Redgear logo will continue glowing. It looks pretty nice. Please subscribe.